Have you ever seen a fish acting strangely? If your fish keeps rubbing against rocks or walls, it's not playing, it's trying to tell you something's wrong. See this jerky, confused swimming? It's a sign your fish is stressed or sick. A gray layer on the skin and damaged gills. That could mean parasites or poor water quality. White cotton patches and skin ulcers, signs of fungal infections hurting your fish. Red spots, bloating or fin rot. These painful symptoms can turn deadly fast. Fish can't speak, but their behavior says it all. Notice the signs. Take action. Let's understand some common diseases in fish and turtles, what causes them and how they appear. First, let's talk about the two main reasons fish get sick. First, environmental diseases. These happen when the fish's surroundings aren't healthy. Like dirty water, not enough oxygen, sudden changes in temperature, or even poor food. These aren't caused by germs, just like how we feel tired or unwell if we live in pollution and eat junk food every day. Now the second type, pathogenic diseases. These are caused by tiny germs like bacteria, viruses, fungi, or parasites. They actually infect the fish and make them sick. And yes, they can spread from one fish to another, just like how we catch a cold or flu. So in short, fish get sick either because their environment is bad, or because they caught an infection from another fish. Let's look at one of the most common parasitic diseases in fish, ICH, also known as white spot disease. It's caused by a parasite called Ichthyophthirius multifilius. Infected fish show tiny white spots on their body and fins, like grains of salt. You may also notice flashing, heavy breathing, or clamped fins. To prevent this, always quarantine new fish and maintain clean, healthy water conditions. Another common parasitic infection in fish is Costia, caused by the protozoan parasite Ichthyobodo. Infected fish often show a grayish film on their skin, swim erratically, and may suffer from gill damage. Costia usually affects fish that are stressed or kept in poor water conditions. Prevention includes proper disinfection, regular tank maintenance, and quarantining new fish before introduction. Now let's look at a common fungal disease in fish called saprolegniasis. It's caused by a fungus named saprolegnia. You'll often see white or grey cotton-like patches on the fish's skin, fins, or even eggs. Just like fish, turtles can also suffer from diseases, especially if their environment or diet isn't right. Let's explore some of the most common turtle illnesses, starting with one that's often caused by poor nutrition. First is metabolic bone disease, or MBD. This happens when turtles don't get enough calcium or vitamin D, usually from a poor diet or lack of sunlight. You'll notice a soft shell, weak or swollen legs, or even bent bones. Next is a respiratory infection, which is quite common in turtles. You might notice the turtle gasping for air, wheezing, or having swollen eyes and nose. This is usually caused by cold water or a bacterial infection, especially if the turtle is kept in the wrong temperature. Just like us, turtles need the right warmth to stay healthy. Now let's talk about shell rot, a serious condition that affects a turtle's shell. You might notice the shell becoming soft, smelly, or showing discolored patches. This is usually caused by a fungal or bacterial infection, especially if the turtle's habitat is too wet or dirty. As we've seen today, fish and turtles face a variety of health challenges. There are many other conditions that exist in the aquatic world, but in this session, we focused on some of the most common and critical ones to raise awareness and help with early diagnosis. Remember, timely care, clean water, and the right environment make all the difference in keeping these beautiful creatures healthy. Thank you for watching. And in our next video, we'll switch gears and dive into a short and powerful guide on agile-based project management, perfect for those of you building smart, AI-driven apps like AquatiqAI.